Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you add and delete Instagram Reels from your profile grid. So let's start. Now first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. So from here, you can swipe your screen to the right. And here you can take a video. Let's take a short video here. Tap on next. Let's just write a caption here. Let's say, for example, let's say testing. So let's wait for it to finish uploading. Okay, now if you go back to your profile in here, go to your grid, let's refresh. Now you can see that this is our video. So if you want to remove this from your profile grid, what you can do is tap on the video, tap on the three dots in here, and tap on remove from grid. Now this video is going to be removed from your profile grid. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.